Welcome to Eoiin Connect. This is a project overview. Let's look inside a project. Whilst in a project, you can get here anytime by clicking the 3 horizontal lines on the top left of your screen, and then selecting Project Details. These are your overall health indicators, and these are the health indicators for specific elements of your project. The status section is where you can update the status of a project so your team members can follow along. You can also update the overall forecast of a project and see the historical trends. On this screen, you'll also see an overview of milestones, risks, and issues. These are entered on separate screens, but the project overview provides you with a single view so you can see everything at a glance. For any important messaging, use the key message function below. For an even bigger picture, use the snapshot or summary functions. You and your team members can leave comments on the project using the comments function. If you use the @ symbol, followed by a team member's name and a comment, Eoiin Connect sends a notification to that team member. You can favorite your project by enabling Add to Favorites, and you can also receive email reports of your project by tapping the Enable Reports button. Finally, project overview screens are fully customizable. To adjust your view, select the 3 vertical dots on any function, and simply select, drag, and rearrange until you're satisfied. To edit specific aspects of your project, click on the 3 lines to the left of the Eoiin Connect logo, and click on where you want to go in the sidebar. Eoiin Connect. Organize your projects, connect your team, manage your work, grow your business.